It's a tool you wish you had all along. Hi, I'm Al Martins from ToolManageriQ. Some of you are longtime customers, some of you are new customers. We're excited to have you. A tool management system designed to work inside of gibbsCAM. ToolManageriQ version 5 will be released sometime next year. Version 5 will have a new implementation of AI. We've always had Fritz. In fact, we were the first one to bring in AI into tool management systems. But now we're taking Fritz to a whole new level. We're excited about it. We're bringing tool management systems to the everyday user. It's no longer enterprise only. It's for every shop who wants to keep track and understand where their tooling is. Keep your eyes out for ToolManageriQ version 5. Stay tuned to see more. I hope to come on air a little more often to keep you up to date with what's happening. Feel free to leave some comments on our site if you have some ideas, if you're a customer of what features you'd like to see, or if you're a new customer, things that you're longing for in a tool management system. I'd love to hear from you.